I like to know if you guys also like goat. This is what in Dominican Republic we call chivo guisado. It's amazing. If you want to learn how to make this delicious goat and much more, please step onto my channel, subscribe, so you can also learn how to make goat the way we make it on the island. There's nothing better than the nice goat from the island, okay? In Dominican Republic, we made this delicious goat. It looks delicious, it smells delicious, and it tastes delicious. What will you eat this goat with? Tell me, please. Will you have it with some cassava, or will you prefer to have it with rice? Let me know in the comments what do you prefer to eat the goat with.